guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you can hear me on this windy walk I'm on at Brighton on the marina. Seas are a bit choppy today. I'll give you a little view. There's the marina. Blowing off wind. A bit more windy today. Windy for our American cousins. Cockney slang for you. Yeah, look at that, choppy waters. Oh, it's rising nicely, as you can see. I was going to walk down there, but good decision to stay up here. I'll get back over here a little bit. Yes, so welcome back to the channel. Happy healing with Luke. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Thank you for those who have. Just want to pick up from, well, not last night's, it was this morning's. In the early hours this morning, I made a little video about relapsing on our healing journey, and it's got me thinking quite a lot today. I have been in my headspace today, which I've been fighting against massively. So that's another thing you need to be aware of. Getting back in your headspace, it is a battle and a half. You know, like I said in the last video, I hope you can hear me. It's really, really windy. Might not have been the wisest place to do a video, but it's real, it's authentic, and we're out there. So yeah, just made me think about the therapy I had. One of the questions the therapist asked me was, what do I turn to? And I thought, I've had this question before, you know. But I don't turn to nothing. I've got no vice, which is really bizarre. You know, a lot of people turn to drink, turn to drugs, gambling. You know, they've got addictions that they can turn to. I don't know. I haven't got one. I vape. I don't smoke cigarettes, I vape. But yeah, that's another story for another video. But about the vapes, that is. But I don't know. I've now started to walk a lot more. Got a small circle. But again, even more mindful of leaning too hard, too heavy, too much, sometimes too soon, you know. Sometimes you can go to bed and wake up in the morning and you feel brand new, you know. But yeah, it's just one of those things. I don't really turn to much. So, you know, the tools and the coping mechanisms, what they teach us along the way, this helps me, you know, somewhere different each time. Yes, I've done Brighton before, that was on the beach, but I haven't walked the sea walk before. In all the years I've been here, I do not recall ever walking up here. Obviously I've seen the marina numerous times, but I've never done this sea walk. I didn't choose the wisest day. I could get splashed here. It's really choppy out there. I'll give you another look. Might be tempting fate here. Even the hair's all brushed back. Look, need an Alice band. But yeah, look how choppy that is today. Wow. And the sun's out. Believe it or not, this is the best day we've had for a couple of weeks. It's just been non-stop rain. So yeah, nice day for a walk and talk. Oh, look at her hair. It's brought a smile on my face anyway, and talking to you guys help. You know, so yeah, I don't turn to anything, guys. I don't. I've got no addiction, nothing. You know, maybe I need to start looking at hobbies and stuff. But these videos, I've enjoyed doing these videos, you know, and part of my healing is to help someone else. You know, there's a lot of us out there. A lot of us turn to social media to get, I don't know, a bit of wisdom maybe. You know? But that's why I want to share the experiences. You know, it's just, sorry. God, the wind. Really, really windy. I just want to share the experiences and give something else to someone else. You know? We've all got knowledge, we've all got ideas. Well, I just got soaked. But I just got soaked. Unbelievable. Didn't see that coming at all. I did not see that. Oh my God. You see that live on camera. I'm keeping it, I'm not editing it. Wow, unbelievable. I think I'll put that in the description, something to watch in the video. What are we, 6 minutes in? Sorry guys, but I just got soaked. But no, it's all good. Don't know if the camera's going to pick it up properly now, but we shall continue. But no, just sharing it with someone else, you guys, that helps me an awful lot. I hope these have helped, to be honest. The aim isn't to gain anything out of this for me, it's to